All right, today we're digging into the hidden science that literally holds our world up, foundations.
Have you ever looked at a giant skyscraper and wondered, why doesn't it just sink?
Well, the secret is right under our feet. It's the foundation, connecting the building to the ground.
A key piece of this puzzle is the footing. Its whole job is to safely transfer that immense weight.
It's kind of like a snowshoe, but for a building. It spreads out all that incredible force. And this shows you exactly why. Less area means way more pressure on the soil. That's risky.
So it's all about reducing that stress. But how do you pick the right kind of foundation?
Yeah, it's definitely not one size fits all. The type of ground underneath changes absolutely everything.
Engineers start with two main categories: shallow foundations for good soil and deep ones for weak soil. Let's dive into a fascinating example to see how this works: the raft foundation. A raft foundation is basically like putting the whole building on one single giant concrete mat.
So when do you use one? Well, it's perfect when the soil's weak or the columns are packed together. The simplest version is the solid slab raft, which is just a flat plate of reinforced concrete. For more complex loads, though, engineers add beams, creating a much stiffer slab beam raft.
For massive high-rises, you get a hybrid, a piled raft that combines the slab with deep piles.
And for maximum rigidity, a cellular raft creates the super strong, hollow box-like structure.
Okay, so how did engineers actually design these things? Well, it's a really rigorous process.
They follow a strict process, from calculating all the building's forces to designing the reinforcement.
And they run some key safety checks. Is the soil overloaded? Could the building sink, slide, or tip over?
Each and every check ensures the foundation can handle anything nature or the building can throw at it.
In the end, it really all boils down to this one simple but incredibly vital engineering principle. It's a true masterpiece of engineering, the unsung hero hidden right there under our feet. So, next time you're in a big building, just think about the incredible engineering holding it all up.